Hello and welcome to Christ Center Gamers unbagging of a laptop flap and strap combo. Alright, so we usually just get laptop bags for our laptops that we care about. And, you know, ease of carrying, you can, carry and protect your laptop and have, also carry like accessories for it, like the AC adapter, possibly a game controller, an external mouse, all kinds of things. So there's a lot of advantages of having a laptop bag because it also protects the laptop from bumps and scuffs. But if you just want an easy way to carry your laptop, you can buy from Free Agent Outfitters the laptop strap. So, alright, it's great to be a free agent. So, here we are. So this is a strap, okay, and I'm glad because so a couple of concerns I have just right off the bat. I'm going to be honest here. Obviously I'm going to put it on this ThinkPad. It's got their website up here, right? So the ThinkPad here, it's got, all right. Where'd it go? Where did they go? All right. So I was concerned about heating vents. Obviously, we want the air to be able to get out. So they're there. I see. So they get kind of covered. So that's fine. So ideally, what we do is you're going to put this on this, but it's going to cover. It's going to cover a lot of the heating vents or cooling vents, whatever you want to call it. So, I mean, the advantage is that, there's three different colors. There's black, gray, and pink, right? So if you were to put this on, and obviously there's a strap. There we go. And it's got quality metal clips, because the last thing you want is a plastic one that's going to crack and break and bam, your laptop's gonna fall shoulder down, right? That's not gonna be good for your laptop. That'll really damage the plastics on it. So these look pretty sturdy and obviously easily clip on. And this is all adhesive on here, so that's gonna get a good solid grip on your laptop. But if I'm not mistaken, I don't have one here to compare, but I think MacBooks, which is what I see all the pictures are with MacBooks, they probably don't get the vents covered up as much, if at all. I don't know, but this covers up about half of them on that side and about one of them. 25% on there. And I'm assuming IBM knew what they were doing when they designed where they placed these heat vents, or cooling vents, whatever you want to call it. Heat output vents. So I'm afraid to put it on this thing. But if I put it this way, yeah, it doesn't cover it as badly. It's got 100% that way. And then, but only half of one of them. So I might be able to put it on this side. Not as pretty, but it could work. And then, and the other thing that you have to consider if you put this on is that you're going to make taking it apart. It'd be blocking these screws. If you need to access the inside of your laptop to, like, let's say, change the battery or swap out internal storage, upgrade your RAM. So you gotta think long and hard about before putting one of these on. And they come in 3 different sizes. This is the medium size, which is fine for this. I think it's a 14-inch laptop. So there's smaller ones for probably like, I guess, you know, tablet size laptops. But there's a bigger one too, which I don't know, maybe for 16. But I have an 18-inch gaming laptop. There ain't no way. Where, you know, like I said, this one I can consider, but so yeah. So if you need a laptop, if you just want to carry, you know, if you want to like grab and go in your laptop, and if it's not blocking your heating, your cooling vents, your overheating vents, then it's an option. But it there's definitely going to be a cost to it. And this would have to go there. So yeah, I'll just kind of carry it around like a purse. So I guess I'm happy with the memory on here. Hopefully I don't have to change the battery anytime soon. I guess I can see what it's like on how easy or hard it'll be to remove after. But yeah, I'm putting this on a little bit backwards just so the cooling isn't blocked as much. But as you see, it's something I'm a bit hesitant to do. So it's got vents here, but this machine's not really using them, and I might put it on slightly crooked, but it's okay. All right, so it's adhesived on. And there it is. You can definitely tell my ThinkPad apart from other people's now. So, and my dogs are being goofy, so probably a good time to end this video. Hope you found it interesting and informative. This is $50 if you're into it. So thank you for watching. God bless.